comments from YouTube. I'm here to give my contribution to the gun. Fellows of YouTube, I've heard people saying that the Taurus 24/7 needs a tool to be disassembled, like a screwdriver or something to place in here when the gun is open. I'm going to show you that's just not necessary, and it's not instructed by Taurus like that. This is a no-tool disassembling gun. Okay, I'm going to show you right now. Let's make sure the gun has no rounds. And now we're going to open the slide. And what's going to happen? We're going to turn this little pin in here down, which is moved like, clockwise. And then we're going to release the slide. When we do this, what happens is we put the slide back, the pin just came a little further, and you are able to just remove the pin with your bare hands. No tools necessary, okay? Then you proceed accordingly. This is what happens. So you can remove the recoil springs. By the way, those are brand new recoil springs. I don't know why they mark this with the red color, but this is just so easy. I'm gonna put this thing back, okay, and I'm gonna put the slide back, the pin, and voila, the gun is ready. Thank you for watching. You can leave your comment in my channel. God bless you, God bless America, and let's fight for our rights.